Today is 2025, October 13th. Today is no school, Columbus Day. Now here is Michaela with the kindergarten book number 7. Which country do you come from? Let's go.
你是哪国人？我是美国人。我是中国人。我是韩国人。我是英国人。我是巴西人。我是加拿大人。你是哪国人？
你是哪国人？
你是哪国人
What's your feeling about the book?
？Good.
It's good. Congratulations, you pass.